Good evening, students. Welcome to Students Accuracy and Answers class. Today, we are going to discuss about partnerships, past adjustments, class 12. So, before I start, I must remind you, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe button, and please don't skip the video. Watch this video from beginning to the end. Now, the point is past adjustments. Past adjustments means, see, in partnership, past adjustment means, suppose your PL appropriation is being fully completed, and after preparing the PL appropriation account, certain items are verified, certain items are recognized which are not yet been treated, or they are missed out. So they need to be taken into account. Some items, they are not taken into account, so they need to be taken into account. So what happens? These items which are not accounted, but the PL appropriation account already has been prepared, in that case, a simple journal entry is to be passed. Try to remember when you were in class 11, one chapter was there, and that was rectification of error. Exactly. That rectification of error, that was a little bit lengthier. But here, in past adjustments, what happens? A simple journal entry has to be made. And that simple journal entry will be the actual answer of the question. You will be getting marks on that part only for the specific journal. Only one single journal in general. Now the thing is that for arriving to the conclusion of making the final rectifying journal, adjustment journal, we need to do some working notes. And that working note has to be understood, because that is the only part which will help you. That is the only important part that would help you to understand what would be the journal and how much should be the amount. So for that, it's not that very difficult also. For that, let us take an example. But before going to example, let me give you a format that's very simple. See, the format is somewhat like this. Suppose there are two partners. This will be particulars. Suppose two partners, A and B, particulars. A and B are two partners, and this is the firm. This is debit of A, credit of A, debit of B, credit of B, debit of firm, credit of firm. Okay. Now, here, remember, whatever is debited to the firm will be credited to the partners. Just the opposite. And vice versa. Whatever will be credited to the firm will be debited to the partners. Means, whatever the partners receive, obviously the firm gives, then only the partners receive. And whatever the partners pay, who gets? Firm gets. Isn't it? So, therefore, whatever will be debit for the firm will be credit for partners. Whatever will be credit for the firm will be debit for the partners. Okay. Now here, let me explain you, give you 2 or 3 examples. When do we need to make some entries of past adjustment entries? Say for example, two partners are there and they have prepared the PL appropriation account, and after preparing they remember that they skipped out interest on capital. So now whole accounts cannot be changed throughout the year. The account has been prepared, that cannot be changed. So the PL appropriation account already has been prepared, profit has been already distributed, capital accounts are prepared. So in that case all these accounts will be affected. So instead of affecting all the accounts, a simple journal, that is past adjustment entry, has to be made. Okay, this was one example. Suppose interest on drawing is missed out, or both of them are missed out, or suppose it may also happen that the partners are given a profit and the ratio of 2:3, whereas they are supposed to distribute their profits 1:1, means equally. By mistake they have distributed the profits in 2:3 ratio, but it should have been 1:1. So these rectifications have to be made through past adjustments. So in order to understand the entire thing, it's better to have an example. So I'm giving you an example. The question will be coming on your screen. You will pause, you will write down the question, so that when I'll start explaining, you continue understanding the question and the process of doing the sum. Okay? Let me read the question. When you have finished copying the question, you just keep the question in front of you so that I can read it. When I read, you can understand. A and B are equal partners. Their capitals are 14,000, 28,000 respectively. After the accounts for the year are prepared, it is discovered that interest at 10% per annum as provided in the partnership. See, it is discovered that interest at 10%, that means A was having a capital of 14,000 and B was having a capital of 28,000. After accounts for the year are being prepared, it is discovered that interest at 10% per annum as provided in the partnership agreement has not been credited to the capital accounts. That means interest was totally skipped up. Means it was not at all given. Okay. It is decided to make an adjusting entry at the beginning of the next year. Give the necessary journal entries. So, the A and B. Here, let us start. A is to B. A's capital was 14,000 and B's capital was 28,000. Here, okay. Now, interest on capital was 10% for both. So, how much would be the interest here? This will be 14,000 into 10 by 100, that comes to 1,400. And here again 28,000 into 10 by 100, that comes to 2,800. Okay, so this interest has not been given. But again I am reading. After the accounts for the year are prepared, it is discovered that interest at 10% per annum as provided in the partnership agreement has not been credited to the capital account. So not credited in the capital account, now credited. So interest on capital. Now credited. How much? For A it is 1,400 credit, 1,400 in credit and of A, and in credit of B 2,800. Okay students. Now, if it is a credit to the partners, definitely it will be a debit to the firm. 2,800, 3,800, 4,200. Total 4,200 will be debit to the firm. Okay. Now, now let us see. Now, is there any more item here to be entered? No more. It is finished. So, firm's balancing. Firm's balancing. Now, in the debit side, it is 4,200. And the debit side it is 4,200. Obviously, the credit side should also have 4,200. Yes or no? So the balancing would come in the credit side 4,200. Okay, and now A and B are equal partners. Then A is to B is 1:1. They are supposed to share the ratio in 1:1. So if this is in the credit side, the balancing figure is in the credit side, the credit side means loss. So that means this will come in the debit side. 4,200 means equally 2,100 for A debit side and then 2,100 for B in debit side. Now let us do the balancing for the partners. Now for A, see for A, 2,100 in debit side and 1,400 in the credit side. Similarly, B, 2,100 in the debit side and 2,800 in the credit side. Now see, for A individually, here what we find, how much is, which side is greater? Debit side is greater. By how much? 700. 2,100 minus 1,400. So debit side is greater by 700. Debit side is greater by 700. Is the side which is greater, that you have to find out here for A. And which side for B is greater? Credit side. By how much? 2,800 minus 700. So credit side is greater by 700. Okay. So now here what we find? Up till here this was working out. Now the part of the sum which we are going to do, that is the journal which we are going to do, for which we will be marked, is the journal which we are going to do now. Now we will say debit will remain debit. For whom it will be debit? A. So A's capital account debit to B's capital account. How much? 700. Mind it, the amount in the debit must equalize the amount in the credit side. Okay? So, note it down. Let us move on to the next example. Pause the video and note it down. Note it down. Now, I'm reading the question. Please keep the question in front of you. A, B and C are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:2:1. Their capitals fixed capital 1 lakh A, 80,000 B and 70,000 C. For the year 1989, interest on capital was credited to them at 9% per annum instead of 12%. Means the interest on capital was supposed to be given to the partners at 12%. Instead of 12%, it was given as 9%. So now, what to do? Again, there is a mistake that has to be adjusted. So for that, first, how many partners are there? A, B and C. Let us make the format. Farm C, B, A. Particulars A, debit, credit, B, debit, credit, C, debit, credit, farm, debit, credit. Okay. Now, what happened? Their capitals A is to B is to C. A is to B is to C. Our partners in the ratio of 2:2:1 is equal to 2:2:1 is 2 by 5, 2 by 5, 1 by 5. Okay. Now the capitals were 1 lakh 80,000 and 70,000. Okay. Now interest was paid as 9% instead of 12%. That means 9% given, 12% supposed to be given. Achha, 9% by mistake you have given. Okay, take it back. Whatever given by mistake, take it back. So farm is going to take it back from the partners. So partners are going to pay 9%. Okay, so partners, whatever they pay comes in their debit side. So 9% on 1 lakh is how much? 9,000. 1 lakh into 9 by 100. That is 9,000. So interest on capital 9%. They are paying back to the farm. That is 9,000 they are paying. 9,000. Then 8 9 7,200 B is paying back. And C 7 9 63. 6,300. Okay. Now farm will be credited. If they are debited, farm will be credited. So 6,300, 6,500, 13,500, 13 plus 9, 22,500. 22,500. Now, interest on capital 12%. Interest on capital 12% means it is to be paid to the farms. It has to be paid to the farms. 9% now it is taken back. Now 12% has to be paid to the farms. Means the partners are to the partners. The partners are going to get. So naturally it will be now credited. So 1 lakh, 12% on 1 lakh is 12,000. Then 12% on 80,000, 12 means the 96, 9,600 in the credit side of B, 9,600. In the credit side of C, 12 7 is 84, 8,400. So was that totally correct? Let us check up. 9,000, 7,200 and 6,300. 0, 0, 5, 16, 22,500. That is correct. And now these are all credited. Naturally it will come in the 22,400, 22,500 will come in the, as they were debited, it will come in the credit side, 22,500. And now as these are all credited, it will come in the debit side, 12,000, 9,600 and 8,400. 0, 0, 0, 0, that means 3, 11, 20, 3, 30,000. It comes to debit side 30,000. Okay, these were all credited, so farm is debited. These were all debited, so farm was credited. Now next step is to find the balancing figure for the farm. First, we will start with the farm always. So 30,000 is this side. It is greater, so write down the greater side first. Then same amount has to be written on the other side, the shorter side. How much? 7,500 is short. 7,500 is short. This 7,500 is to be, as it is in the credit side, is to be debited to the partner's capital account. By in what amount? In 2:2:1. So now, how much it will come? In the credit, it is credited, it will be debited now. It will be debit side. Debit side means 5, 15, 33,000 in case of A. In the debit side, in case of B, again 3,000. And in case of C, it will be 1,500. Okay. So this will be loss. Share of loss, because that is in the credit side. Credit side in the farm, credit side means loss. The loss has been distributed. Now, find out the totals of the partners. 9 plus 3, 12,000. 12,000. 10,200. 9,600. And then comes 7,800. And this side 8,400. Okay. Now, students, see, now for A, which side is greater? Sir, no side. Cancel. A, out of picture. Now let us see B. B, which side is greater? Debit side is greater. B, debit side. By how much? 10,200 minus 9,600. That means 600. Debit side 600 for B. And for C, which side is greater? Credit side is greater. Credit side is greater. 8,400 minus 7,800. Here also 600. C 600. So these were the working notes we were doing. Now what we need to do? We need to pass the adjustment journal entry for which we will be getting marks. Same, debit to debit, credit to credit. So debit for B, B's capital account debit 600 to C's capital account 600. See here also again you can see the amount of the debit and the credit has tallied. They are equal. So we can say that we have done correctly, but maybe if there is any mistake in the calculation, that is different. Accidentally also sometimes the total may tally, but 90% we can say yes we are right. By sitting in the examination hall only, we can assure ourselves 90% that we are right. Okay, so this was past adjustment on partnership. So next we will be moving on to admission of partners. Okay, students. So I'll send you the questions. Some questions. Please try to solve them. I'll try to send it possible while editing. Then we'll do it. If you have any problem, my number will be there in the left hand side of your screen. You can talk to me in the evening hours. We'll discuss about your problems. Okay? Thank you. Good night.